Hi guys. Hi guys.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Papa Rambo. Mama Ruby. Miggy. Dia. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. My pet eyes. What's your fog today, Mama?
Pero nag-stop talaga siya kasi akala ko kung may something.
Dito kami sa... Anong lugar to? Pusin. Anong lugar to?
Vice
Viceback.
Park.
Rotak.
Frontier.
Fountain. What? You're what?
Obsessed.
Obsessed? Grabe, mga 12 siguro na sakay including bus. 12 or 13. Hindi nga, lahat galing sa atin. 12 or 13 or 11, mga ganyan. We're here now. Welcome to Busan. What's this tank? Oh, you hold Papa. Here now. Oh, may pababa. Okay. Welcome to Busan. Grabe ang biyahe namin. Umalis kami ng bahay ng 4:30 ba yun o 5? 8 p.m. na. Ilang bansa na napuntahan namin. Nag-Lindau Insel kami sa Bodensee, Germany. Nag-Bregenz, Austria. Nag-Liechtenstein sa Vaduz. Then, bumalik kami dumaan ng Austria ulit. Ang biyahe. Biyahe ulit. Transfer ulit. Pupuntang dito. Germany na ito guys. Germany. Hanapin namin ng hotel. Hotel Plus Krone. Nagawa yung kanilang roundabout. Para siyang city yung nasa bundok. Ko na, Migi. Alas 8 na kami. Kaya na yung slot. Wala masyadong tao kasi kakatapos na ng bakasyon. Yan yung mga turista. Kami na lang. Tsaki. Pizza here. Pizzeria de Salvatore. Ulit in the
It's still hot.
Gutom siya ba? What? How is it? Bigyan mo siya ng sampang tissue. This is your tissue.
The first one.
Ito. Yummy.
It's not disgusting.
It's yummy.
Press it.
A few moments later.
But don't that.
Let's make his first, tooth na nahulog. Babe, look at me, your mouth, eh. Yeah, no. Oh, a little bit, you need to drink cold. Yan na siya. Oh, ayan natin na tooth fairy mamaya. Yay, good
Just
job.
some
High five, high five.
Capri-Sun juice.
Kaprisong juice, it will, not
Little bit.
bleed.
Yay! The tooth fairy will come now.
Oh, gusto aming pagkain. Last one niya.
It's a chainsaw. That is my knife.
Pizza.
Such a funny knife to have.
Sa room. Ito ang creepy. Oh. Kasi masunod siya kung kahit saan ka naka. Gana. Oh, this one is real, nako. It's a cow skin.
This is nice. Where is this?
Slowly.
Ah,
Here's Miggy's tooth. The first tooth that fell out. So we will put it under his pillow for tonight, so that the tooth fairy will come and will give some. Look at the inside of your tooth. Okay na po din.
you wrap it.
Alright then, I'll put it under the pillow. Okay. Good night. See you tomorrow. Good night, guys.
Good morning, Owl.
Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow here in Fusen.
And my tooth.
Yeah, there. Okay, just put it back. Sleep na.
So super close.
It's growing na yung new teeth. New tooth pala.
Bye-bye. See you in the next part.
The next day.
Good morning! Naglipat kami ng room kagabi. Ito yung room namin. Ay, ngayong umaga. Yan. May double deck. Pero katabi lang ng room. Tapos yung room. Tapos yung view. Tingnan natin. Yan. Parang nasa, kami. Center. And we're ready. Let's go. Hey, that's Miggy's. Oh, Tiri. Ulan si ngipin. This morning. Medyo cloudy. But at least hindi na ulan. Kami na. Restaurant. Ayan. Papas kami nga. So yan yung slosan nila. Ito yung kanilang plaza. Kain muna kami. So, pababa. Dito kami sa bundok. Bundok ito dito. Sa Fusen. Ito na yung parang paligid ng sloss ng palace. Castle. Ayan, may church doon. Arte color. Ito na daw yung lost part na daw nito. City tour. ito na yung kanyang wall. Saka, may drawing niya. Zumba Rock Garden. Na ito part na ito ng palasyo ng castle. Ito may Rhine River siguro. Oh, grabe ang tubig. Parang yung tubig sa Switzerland, sa Interlaken. Look at that. Wow. So beautiful.
Later
Yeah, it looks like an Interlaken.
after we're done, then we will try to look for here first. We'll try to look here in
We
the
need to go
salon
now
for
because
food.
it's about we are all starving.
Starving. We'll eat first. Ooh. Ang ganda. Parang sa Interlaken yung tubig. Blue siya. Ganda. Yan yung palace. Yan yung sloth. Takot baka mahulog cellphone ko. Charis. Lamig. Ganda kasi kahit cloudy siya, hindi siya naulan. Pak. Oh, sa mga lovers, pwede kang mag-ano dyan. Yan may snowy mountains. Pero Germany na yan siya na mountains. Talagang sikap. Malamig pa din, pero hindi na masyado talagas na. Which is what we like. You know, may snowy mountains. So, sinikin pa. This part. Yung dalawa. Punta kami dun sa parang batis-batis na may falls. Mga 1 kilometer walk. Ayun, ginagano na. Ano pa, bike. Pwede ka mag-trekking dyan. Gutom na kasi siya. Ikaw din eh. Nang oras na kaya? Brunch na ito, brunch. Doon kami galing. Pwede ka dyan trekking. Taas. Safe naman yan dyan mag-trekking dito sa Germany. Wala yan dyan mga bears or wild animals. Nag-walk lang. Parang wala kasing bus, no? Ito.
We're gonna bake that.
Kanito. Lekfall or fall? Nahingal ka ba yun? Charis. Exaggerate. Ganito talaga ang buhay sa Europa. Dito sa Germany. Lakad. Except kung may sasakyan ka. Kami, purita. Wala kaming car. Kawawang nilala. I can hear it. There na oh. Ito siya oh. Like, there. Wow. Look at that water. Hindi ka pwede maligo kasi maging ice ka dyan, lamig.
Gusto natin baka wala ng
Steakhouse. We're going to eat brunch here in the forest. Oh my God. Sakit sa tuhod. Bakit siya? Ay, sarado. Sarado siya, Han?
1 o'clock pa.
Andun oh, meron dun oh.
Bakit 1 o'clock ang sale?
Oh, ang ganda doon oh. Ting. Ano kami ng ice cream. Kasi wala mag-picture-picture sa Kobak. Mag-ice cream muna kami kasi sarado pa yung steakhouse. Balik kami dito mamaya. Kain muna kami. Look, parang nasa Interlaken talaga siya, no?
Kasi nga, galing sa glacier din yung tubig.
Austria na ba to?
No, sir, Germany po rin to.
Ba't may nakalagay Österreich dyan, no? Republic Österreich. Ano?
Papunta.
Ah. Cheers. Ito siya, oh. Wait. Gutom kami, eh. Balik na lang kami dyan mamaya. Lamig, brain freeze.
Rainbows are a type of fish that lives in cold water.
Rainbow, the name of the fish.
Rainbow fish.
Actually, it's not called the rainbow fish. It's called the rainbow trout. They only live in icy cold waters, just like this one.
Oh.
So, what if I would find a rainbow trout?
Ah, hospital yan dyan. Kaya pala.
Hospital.
We're going to eat here, Nashi.
Not sure if there's a fish tank.
Look at this drinks. Homemade iced tea with strawberry. Cool. Here it's inside. It's a Japanese restaurant named Nashi here in Fusen. Papas na bumbis ng tubig. Let's chow. What's your food?
I got another super combo.
Super combo. Ramen, tonkatsu ramen, french fries, and karage. Good appetit! Oh, Papa bought you something. It's fun time. Kaso, are you making friends?
That kid too, that I can see him look. That kid. You know why I like him? He kind of looked like Chinese and he looked like Zandro. Since Zandro looked like
Yeah,
Chinese.
okay. Oh, I can see na there. There. There's the news once time Castle Migio.
You think that?
There's another one down there.
I have this book about how to
Silangaw. Oh my God. Miggy, that's the castle, no?
Get inside the sunshine.
The ticket center. Sige, here.
I think the blue, you already have the green or black.
I will spin it.
Hey, no. Hala, no.
You choose na. Oh.
Kalimutan yung kanyang glasses. Oh, try, be. Be, look at me. Ayan na lang, blue. Wow.
Here's my help.
Here's Weinstein.
Ba, 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 ba.
Tapos ito siya pagka...
Ba, 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 ba.
Yun siya. Naulan na. Parang babalik na lang kami bukas. It's raining. Diyan si Papa ng deer ng News Weinstein. Sa Wanggaw. Kasi naulan. Ito. Look at this. Ito yung lugar nila. Maganda siguro pumunta dito. Pag summer.
Description. Vanilla sauce ng traditional restaurant.
Wow! Look at that. Let's try. This warmest apple strudel. Pwede ano eh? Apple pie with vanilla sauce.
Tell me, we just saying yeah.
Yummy. Oh no, it's raining. I will just come back here tomorrow. Yan na yung News Weinstein. News Weinstein. Yan nila inano yung castle sa Disneyland. Parang dyan sila kumuha ng idea or yan ang kinabi nila na castle. Hi, balik na lang kami tomorrow. We're going back to the hotel na lang. Balik na lang tayo tomorrow, no?
Yummy.
Yummy. No more teeth.
And I'm eating a lollipop.
No. Swanghau Castle. Yeah. Grabe, ang ganda ng tubig.
That's the...
Hindi ko alam ang history nito pero baka magkakapatid na may-ari ng mga castle pizzeries. Kaya yung building. Europe lights. Balik kami dun sa may bridge. Diyan kami kumain kagabi. Ito yung rat house nila. Time ka yung sa Wanggaw. Wow! What's here? Ito na yung garden ng Castillo. Dito naglalakad ang mga king, queen, princess, prince, Stadtpark, Baumgarten. So,
Hello. Hello.
kami sa garden ng Going down sa may side of ng river. There's Papa and Miki. Dapat malakas ang tuhod mo pag dito ka sa Europe nag-travel. Here, Miss Carol. Sorry. Fair. Pala ka daw sa ano mo. Kung madisgrasya ka sarili mo, wala silang pananagutan. Ganda ng tubig. Ganito yung tubig sa Interlaken, Switzerland. Hi. Where are you going?
I'm going on a hike by myself.
Ba? Ganito pala ang buhay, prinsesa, no? Ganito yung lugar nila. Yung para bang nasa movie ka. Diba? Ito, feel mo na dito. Oh, ito na siya. Ito na siya, oh. Papa niya, dun. Lumpat na siya kung sa tubig ba?
Here, until the waterfall. Wow, there could be a lot of fishes here. There could be minnows. Do you know what are minnows?
No.
A type of school of fish in the rivers.
Don't step on the wet, sand. What's that? Ang bahay nila sa gilid ng glacier at ng river. So kami dyan sa church. Kasi yung ulan-ulan. We're back. Dito na tayo. We're back. Wow! Wow! Fall Corn Club. Bye. Ito kami dun sa Lek. Wow. Ay, may papunta dun sa baba. Punta kami dun sa parang may beach doon eh. Dito. Kain winter deals. This is a small bridge. Oh, nakita na naman siya.
Hello?
Look at that. Now let's go.
See like a small water body there.
Pero may ayan yung bridge pa. May kuya ba. Hindi ko na kaya yung dala ko iniwan ako yan. Wow, so nice here. Wow, so nice. Miggy, Papa, look. Cheers. Ulo kita ke rumah. Then Alpen galing sa Alpen. Uy, basta tubig nga si Miggy. Naulan na. Oh no. Ito yung Auwald Fad Station 7. Yan. Uy, naulan na. Hala, let's go back na. Let's go back to the hotel. Ito ang history niyan. Ayan.
Soy.
Soy. Soy sauce. Pusoy kada.
It's
Kabayon.
Mama, why would you ever eat the volcano?
Here's a nice steakhouse. Okay na. Here's a steakhouse. Kanya ng bread, tapos kanya yan. Sa akin to. Lagyan ng ganyan. Ano yung sauce niya? Tomato. May olive. Yummy? Wait. Yummy?
It's the same as Pizza Hut.
Okay.